Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we will learn how to upload our React project on GitHub. So let's get started. For to successfully upload our React project to GitHub, we need to follow 6 steps. So our first step is creating a GitHub repository. Create a new empty repository on GitHub. So after creating an empty repository, GitHub will provide essential commands. Although GitHub provides essential commands, it is crucial to understand their functions. And second step is initialize Git in your local repository. So to initialize Git to our local repository, we need to use git init command. This command initializes Git to Git in our local repository, making it ready for version control. Third step is to connect our local repository to GitHub. So for this, we will use git remote add origin and our repository URL. And fourth is to prepare our repository for first commit. So 4.1 is to check our status of our repository to see updates. So we will use git status command. This command will give our status of our repository and we'll see any updates of our local repository. 4.2 is add all the modifications to our staging area. This command will make our all updates for commit ready for commit. And 4.3 is to commit the update with a message. Now step 5 is to create a new main branch. We will create new main branch using git branch -m -m and main. And final step is to push our code to GitHub. Our project is now safely uploaded on GitHub.